Hey guys, in this video I will be sharing you the project that we will be building in our actual full stack game development program. So I am just hitting the play button. Okay, so cool animations. Now you can type your name. Actually, I will make it full screen. Okay, now I will type my name as Malhar. Great, enter. Then I just need to click on the tanks that I want to select. I'm clicking the green tank, and now wave 1 is incoming. We can implement the wave enemy waves in this project. There will be bunch of enemies that will be coming. I will quickly show you the types of enemies as well. There are 3 types of tank that you just saw. Okay, where is the enemy? Come on. Okay, here is a big one. Okay, that's a huge enemy actually. But you will be seeing bunch of other types of enemies as well. And here you can see wave 2 is incoming as well. Where is the another types? In the wave 2, there will be 2 enemies, and in the wave 3 there will be 3 enemies. Also, if you can observe this, enemies are not getting spawned in front of my player. Okay, this is the another type of enemy. You can see the small one, the medium one actually. But the best part about the wave system is, now even though wave 3 is incoming, my player is not surrounded with the enemies. That is something called as balancing in game design. So I will quickly shoot it. The score is getting updated because I killed 3 enemies as of now. Okay, 2 big enemies in this wave. That's awesome. Okay, actually 3 big enemies. That's great. And here you can see achievement unlocked. I just shoot 20 bullets. That's great. So achievement system is also there. So I will quickly show you after killing how it will work. Okay, I guess I got dead. So if I click on the restart, I will quickly show you the parameters of the okay, I will quickly replay and I will select the another type of the tank, that is blue tank, which will run very slow. Okay, I'm just typing it ABC, and right now blue tank will be having different parameters. Here you can see slow fire rate as well as slow movement speed and rotation speed, but the health is also high, as well as the bullet damage will also be high. So this is how the entire project will look like. I will quickly showcase how the scalability works. Okay, enemy, I'm searching enemy. So here is a scriptable object of an enemy. Scriptable object is nothing but a data, but if you can read this, everything is customizable. Movement speed, rotation speed, patrolling radius, patrol time, fire rate, attack distance, at what distance the enemy will attack, everything is customizable. And actually this is not only true for enemy, but this is actually true for bullets as well, player as well, and everything that you are seeing in the project is customizable and scalable. So this is the most important thing while you are making games. And trust me, no tutorials can teach you such kind of scalable architectures. In this project, we have used several design patterns like singleton, model view controller, then observer pattern, then object pooling, then smart spawning system, and tons of things are there in this game. So that's about it. I hope you liked this demonstration of the project. If you are really interested to make a kick-ass project like this, do check out the program at the Outscal. Thanks a lot.